Justin Barcia is an American motorcycle racer from Monroe, New York. Barcia competes in both the AMA Supercross and Motocross Championship. He is a two-time AMA Supercross 250cc East Champion. Barcia is married to Amber Rose Barcia, whom he wed in November 2018. He currently resides in Greenville, Florida. His parents are Don and Lorraine Barcia. Barcia began his career by winning back-to-back 250 Supercross East Championship in 2011 and 2012. Riding for Yamaha until 2019, Barcia has won the season opening race in Anaheim on multiple occasions. Barcia changed team to race for Gas in 2020. Born on March 2025, 1992 in Monroe, New York, Barcia started riding dirt bikes at age 5 and began racing at 7. Despite starting later than many pros, his determination and talent shone through, earning him over 25 amateur national titles, including multiple Loretta Lines Championship. Barcia is one of the most outspoken, fan-favorite riders in the sports, known for his explosive speed, willingness to make contact for passes, and entertaining personality. Despite injuries and team changes, he remains a consistent threat in the 450 class. He currently races for Troy designed Red Bull Ducati factory racing team. He is known for his flashy riding style that excites fans and has competed at the highest level of both AMA Supercross and Motocross Championship. Barcia's career highlights include winning back-to-back 250 Supercross East Championship in 2011 and 2012. He was also named 2013 Monster Energy Supercross Rookie of the Year and won the 2012 Monster Energy Cup. Throughout his career, he has become known as back-to-back AMA 1450 main event winner in 2019 and 2020, and he's earned the title of King of Barcia in 2019 as overall winner of the Barcia Supercross in France.